Okay, be honest, how many of you woke up this morning, looked at your alarm clock, and thought, why am I still so tired? Yeah, me too. Every single day. And it's not like I didn't sleep, I got my 7, maybe 8 hours. But here I am, dragging myself through the morning like a zombie. Sound familiar? The thing is, waking up tired isn't just about how long you sleep. It's about how you sleep. And let's be real, most of us are sabotaging ourselves without even realizing it. Here's what might be going on. First up, poor sleep quality. You might think you're getting a solid night's sleep, but if your sleep is disrupted by stress, light, noise, or even that late-night Netflix binge, your brain isn't fully resting. Second, your sleep schedule might be out of whack. Staying up late one night and waking up early the next totally messes with your internal clock. And third, this one's a biggie, you're waking up at the wrong part of your sleep cycle. If your alarm pulls you out of deep sleep, you're gonna feel groggy no matter how many hours you got. Okay, so how do we fix this? Here are 3 quick tips. 1. Create a bedtime routine. Try to wind down with something relaxing, like reading or meditating. Just skip the screens. 2. Keep a consistent schedule. Yes, even on weekends. I know it's hard, but your body will thank you. 3. Use a sleep tracker or smart alarm. These can help wake you up during a lighter phase of sleep, so you feel more refreshed. Look, we've all been there, waking up and feeling like you didn't sleep at all. But the good news is there are ways to break the cycle. Start with small changes, and I promise mornings will feel a whole lot better. If this resonated with you, hit that like button and share it with someone who's always tired. Because let's face it, we all know someone like that. And hey, don't forget to subscribe for more tips on living your best life. Let's tackle this together.